Hi friends, welcome from RaxReview. Many days later I will come back. Today I am going to talk about iPhone new update iOS 12 beta 2. The update available few days ago. I already download and install in my iPhone SE. iOS 12 improved battery life and many bug fixing. There are many apps crashing before updates. The developers solved this problem iOS 12 beta 2. The iOS 12 70% faster than Android's phone and 50% faster than previous updates iOS 11. So we finally say that iOS 12 better than any iOS update. Thanks for watching video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel.